Hello, this is Martin, and today we are going to be going over adders in your proposal. Choose the right hand corner of your screen at this hamburger bar, click on it, and you'll see adders. First thing we'll see are electrical adders. You have three choices to rate: 200 amp main panel upgrade and 200 amp main panel upgrade relocation. 99% of the time, we will choose the 200 amp main panel upgrade, and this will cover the cost of an upgrade in case there is an upgrade to be made. Line side tap is the interconnection when installing a PV system, rarely required. Gas meter relocation if it's less than 24 inches from the main service panel, we choose the gas meter relocation. Mounting adders are basically your roofs. Most of the time, our roofs are going to be asphalt composition shingle. However, sometimes you see flat roofs, ballasted roof, such as this one, or metal roofs and clay tile roofs. Ground mount trenching for ground mounts up to 75 feet. This is the cost associated, and you must click on this adder. Ground mount fencing wire mesh if a fence is required to keep the critters, animals, things like that out of the way of the solar panels. Septic plant if necessary. This is associated cost. Dirt trenching after 75 feet. After 75 feet of trenching, put the number of feet here and it'll reflect the cost there. Trenching through rock formation after 75 feet, same thing. You put the number of feet here and the cost associated with that number of feet will be reflected there. Concrete cut and patch. Again, number of feet here and the cost associated with concrete cut and patching goes there. Attic run, when the conduit goes through the attic rather than on top of the roof, we choose attic run. Steep roofs, for roofs that are 38-degree or more, we choose there. WPI-1 certification for coastal areas like California and Corpus Christi. It's a form similar to this. Electrical engineering, always choose electrical engineering just to cover any electrical engineering costs. Homes with 3 or more floors, choose this. Attic fan is a solar power fan that basically sucks out the warm air from the attic. The solar panel and the fan are one component. The solar panel is not used from the roofs of the solar panels. It is its own fan with its own solar panel. LG Chem battery, choose here if there is an LG Chem battery associated with this proposal. Roof work, any additional roof work by cost goes right here, as long as the cost does not exceed 30% of the cost of the solar panels. Any miscellaneous work goes here. 25-year solar warranty goes here. The Solar Edge comes with a 12-year warranty. However, the upgrade for a 25-year Solar Edge warranty is $600. Homeowner rebate for those who want to reflect a $599 homeowner rebate. Just make sure that that number does not go above $599. This is as much as the system will allow. Additional permit costs go here. And last but not least are your margins. Please ensure that your margins never go below $5,500. Power keeps $1,500 of all margins. Everything else is your commission. However, if there are any additional costs associated with this job, those additional costs will come from your commission. Therefore, the minimum number for the margin is $5,500. This concludes ADDERS. Thank you and have a great day.